Walker here with Outdoor Outdoors. Today we're going to be doing some pre-spawn, post-cold front fishing. We got bluebird skies, air temperatures right around 27 degrees, water temperature is still staying right around 54. It's been above 55 for the past week and a half to 2 weeks, so they're full pre-spawn regardless of the air temperature and the small temperature drop today. The good news is, if you look, if you see, when we get a hard northeast wind here on the Pasquotank River, the water levels drop by about 2 feet. So it doesn't look like any of the bass boats are going to be able to launch today. And also, it really consolidates the fish that were on the ledges staging for pre-spawn back into the main channel. So it really takes all the fish that were wandering around and puts them right back in the middle of the creek. Some of the best days I've ever had out here were post-cold front, hard northeast winds with the water levels dropped, because you know exactly where the fish are going to be. So hopefully we can get out there and catch some for you guys.